And again, this is the part 2 you've all been waiting for the testing out for the pneumatic nail gun in action. So, here we go. This is the pneumatic nail gun, and this is the air hose from the compressor. And simply what we're gonna do is we're going to press that locking key down and connect it with the nail gun just to hear some clicks, and it's as easy as that. So I'm going to turn on the air hose right now, and we're going to see this thing working in action. Okay, let's turn on the air hose and see what happens. Okay. Okay, hold on a second. Okay, let's see this thing working in action. So it's connected to the air compressor right now, and it's ready to shoot the 5 centimeter nails. But when you press on it, it does not shoot. You know why? Because it's locked, safety lock. So if I put the nail gun's teeth on the wood and press again, can you see that? It gave a shot. So the nail, it just nailed the wood. Again, as you can see, just put through another nail, and here we go. Okay, it's working just fine. Wanted to tell you though, is it gonna shoot nails from a distance? No, and that's not good, because if you shoot from a distance, it will not work efficiently. As you can see, let's test this out in action as well. So I'm gonna shoot some nails from a distance, and we will see what happens. From a distance right now, I will click on the safety and see if it's gonna work or not, if it's gonna be efficient or not. Let's go. It didn't work, it didn't stay in the wood. Again, it's not working. So if I keep shooting like that, it will not do what it's supposed to do. See? It's going somewhere else. Okay, so we're going to shoot in some metal. It's not sticking because it's actually used for wood. So, okay, I think I emptied the magazine. So I need to add some nails. Let's see. I'm going to add a full magazine right now. You can see it's added just like that. It's easy breezy. Got it added just like that, and okay, it's collecting some dust. Okay. Okay, it's added. Let's test it out. If you test it in the middle, it's not working. I think I got a nail here. Okay. I got it nailed. Wow. Let's test that again. See the 5 centimeter nails? It's a very powerful nail gun, by the way. I can see some sparks though. If you like test this out this way, it's definitely making some sparks. Wow. It's very powerful. This thing is wonderful. Playing with it right now and see testing it out in different stuff. So, woo! Could you hear that? It's just like went pew. It's very powerful. It's making a whistle in the air. Wow. It just emptied the magazine. Anyways, as we can see, right now the magazine will be empty. I just wanted to show you that it's very powerful. When you open the magazine, just to load the magazine, you get the sheet of nails and install it just like that. It's as simple as that. And you lock in the magazine in place. I think I did it wrong. Oh, I did it wrong this time. So you just install it just like that. Okay, so that's the right thing. Yeah. And you lock it in place using the locking key. Just a moment. I couldn't show you while I'm holding the camera. It's just like that. And you can do some test firing with it again. Just as easy as that. So I think it's not flying that well. Compressor is stopping, so we're going to charge some air and test it out again. Just in a moment. Okay. So here I have my wonderful APT air compressor, and I'm going to turn it on. Okay. Let me show you. I had that for like more than 8 years right now. It's a wonderful compressor that works in a motor, and this motor is rotating an air piston just to compress air. 8 bars maximum less than 120. Less than 100. It's less than 120 psi, but it's very powerful. You can see it's charging. Turn it off. Okay, it's charged right now, full charge. So we're gonna see and test out the pneumatic nail gun again. So I'm going to test it out right now in full charge. Woo! This time it's going so loud. Oh, it's making like very strong sparks, as you can see. So it's hitting the metals and jumping around. This thing is very dangerous. It's now like going through the this metal. Wow. look at how that's strong. Ow! Whoa. It hit my hand. Wow. It just emptied the magazine. So, and again, thank you for watching this video, and if you have any comments, questions, you have an awesome ideas, please leave me that in the comments. And thank you again for watching, and I will see you next time.